We are moving to a next phase as our company. We have been working as a bootstrapping company for 26 years, and we have been building customer relationships. Instead of building one or two solutions to a global manufacturing company a year, we saw the need that we need to go to 100 or even more.
Predisys stands out for us because I think they have a unique set of solutions that bring real-time quality insights to the manufacturers. Of the various partners that we looked at, Predisys stands out for us with rich expertise in this area, subject matter expertise, quality expertise, the process knowledge. It's unique and it's complementary to what Capgemini can do.
The Predisys solution is core to the context of what I do at Capgemini. The ease of use is really unique. They allow anybody to pick up the software and see exactly what's going on in the system. Being a software engineer, I was able to learn and pick up on the software really quickly and also start to implement it for our clients really quickly.
One of the reasons we choose to be partnered with Predisys is they are unique in the market. They have a strong industry experience, and the SPC tooling which they bring to the market is very unique. They have a wide variety of integrations with Microsoft platforms and also like the IoT devices, which brings a lot of value to our customers.
We all felt your software was very user-friendly. I mean, you hit the solution spot on. And we don't have to manually enter any data. It's automatic. You just drag it into Predisys and it explodes with data.
The whole concept allows us to move from reactive product quality into preventive process control. So we can actually prevent the defects from happening. Doing that is going to be a new paradigm of quality going forward.
With the Predisys Analytics Suite, customers can benefit from gaining those real-time insights, achieve sustainability goals, environmental goals in terms of reducing scrap waste. Think about a scenario where you are able to detect the anomalies before they happen.
This is an organization who is serious about giving us a solution and kind of approach this thing as a whole team.
The IoT-enabled analytics are going to be of paramount importance to our customers into the future.